Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 51 of Building the Batmobile from 1966, the classic TV series. This issue, we're doing some more of the chassis work and getting bits put together, looking at His Honor the Penguin. His Honor. Season 2, episode 51, because obviously it's episode 51, because it's part 51. Guest villain, the Penguin, as you might have guessed. All the way, Pengy. What is it with the enemies of Batman and that always wanting to be senators and always above the law by being on the good side of the law? It's very strange. Looking at Bane in the comics and Batman in 85. Yeah, quite normal looking artwork there. It's League or something, probably. Crisis on Infinite Earths. There you go. Lots of different characters in all of those. Batman and the Outsiders. Right, so yes, this is what we got. The rear floor pan, and we're installing the resonators that we built earlier. I do remember doing them. So just got to screw that onto the main bit, and then put those onto it, and that's it. Getting the wire out of the way. But with that, the whole floor now assembled. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look at it. So, the parts supplied today, another metal plate. I've got those that we built a while back, which obviously have a left and a right, because otherwise the holes won't line up. Make sure I get them the right way around. And some screws. CM screws are what I'm going to need first. I'm going to need 7 of those. Hold this big plate in place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One spare. I should put that in my spares mug. So that is there. And this is going to go onto the whole chassis that we've got built up so far. It's going on the back bit, covering over the only gap we've got left over on there, like so. And is held in place with these 3 across there, 2 more and 2 more at the top. Let's get some of those in. Over somewhere, there it is. Get those in there. Find up, but that's not going in. Try a different one and see. That might be. Quite lined up. There we go, that's better. Try that one again. That better. That's that, and that. Third one across there. Now I'm getting all these in loose. Go back and tighten all up once all of the screws are in place. One more there. That rod that's going down the back there. Stay in there, and one right at the tip. So let's get that one in. Okay, that's that. Slide in. Get it all squared and lined up nicely. Go. So these two should go just where I was trying to put them. Yeah, there we go. That's that lining up on there. Right, let me get all of these tightened up and then come back and see about fitting those resonators. Right, that's in there nice and secure. Happy with that. These ones now need to fit to the underside. Supported there. So this one is going to go on this side because the hole's on the inside. That needs to fit into there. Plenty of give on that. And the 2 holes line up with that on there. Bit like that. This one obviously does the same on the other side. And there are 2 screws for each one to hold in place. Now the trick of doing this is going to be getting it the right way up and not having bits fall off. So I can't do both of them at the same time. 3 screws. Come on, one more out there. That'd be great. There you go. So I'm going to have to sort of support this, hold that, turn it so I can get to it there. Get one in at the back so it can't escape. Go. And then get the front, or the very rear one placed there. I can't see it properly to line it up though. So, having that at the moment. Maybe I don't see it properly out of one eye. It doesn't help with getting things lined up. Out there we go. So that is that. Another one done. Now I can get both of these tightened up. There was some give to this bit up here, which is obviously now going to have to be attached at some point. I can't show you that. Let's. Now we've got somewhere to attach this one. Going to have another bit that's going to attach in. There is a bit here. Looks like it should go through somewhere, but so now that end's being held, that should be okay. So let me get the other one attached, tightened up, and we'll see how it looks.